Alright, another day, another sneaker pickup. If you couldn't tell by the tape, this one comes from Nike. So I got lucky on the Nike sneakers app on the March 10th release date. So they came in a week later. Today's the 17th. They actually came in yesterday, but wanted to save it for today to unbox. So I think it's part of Nike's whole thing where they're just really milking the dunk now, and they've just been dropping a bunch of different colorways and stuff like that. So this is yet another one. Here it is, standard red Nike sportswear box. If you couldn't tell by the background there, I have an overflow of these red sportswear box, and they're all dunks. Between 2020 and 2021, I've been really picking them up. This is the Nike Dunk Low Retro in the white, black, and white colorway. So if I pull these out, you'll see that they are, yes sir, the black and white Nike Dunk Lows. So these things came out in full family sizing, all the way from toddler to men and women's sizes. So in that sense, there's like a full abundance of sizes, but as far as availability goes, it's still pretty hard to get dunks these days in March of 2021. So maybe the situation will change later in the year as more and more dunks come out, but still, I don't see any signs of slowing down. Oops, well, there goes the box. So here these things are. I know these floated around in early 2021 in like Europe and Asia and stuff like that, but here in the US these didn't fully release till March. So this is my second pair of Dunk Low Retros. The other pair is the UNLV pair. Prior to that, all of the dunks that I have in my collection from 2020 are SPs, which is a big difference. I'm sure you guys have heard through the grapevine that the Dunk Low Retro seems to be more of the GR one, and the SP seems to be more of a special project or a more premium one, which, I mean, for a $100 shoe, regardless of SP or Retro, I wouldn't say they're the most premium sneaker, but for what they are, I think it's well worth it if you're able to grab them at retail. So this one, I mean, quick review, it's a white and black leather upper, rubber midsole, black outsole, black inner lining with a white insole, black Nike text, and the tongue as well as like this nylon material with these black laces. So quality of materials on here is so-so. I mean, the black leather upper looks to have a nice grain to it. Feels a lot softer than the leather on the UNLVs, but compared to like the Champ colors or the St. John's or the Brazil dunks that I have, these leathers are definitely sort of second tier to those. Nothing really interesting on the comfort side of things either. It's a flat-footed shoe. Again, people forget that the dunk is a rudimentary basketball shoe from like the mid-80s. And they're just like sort of this retro-looking sneaker now with comfort sort of taking a back seat to everything. So if you're looking for a comfort-based shoe, go look at a runner. But for these are a retro where you buy them for the look and not the comfort. Speaking of wearing them, I'd recommend going to your true shoe size. I think with these newer dunks as well, Nike's been doing away with a lot of the padding. So in the past, what leather dunks might have been really tight at the toe, and you'd have to go up half a size. I think this new era of dunks, since they scaled back the quality on them, they're a lot thinner. I think you're good going true size. Super quick, super simple. These things are going for a lot of money in the resale market, which, not sure why, but I guess I also do see between hype and just wearability, you could wear these with literally anything. So not sure what the end game is here. I might flip them, I might keep them. You'll know if I wear them on feet what I end up doing with them. But yeah, solid pickup from the sneakers app. This is actually my first sneaker draw, or that 10-minute draw that they do. This is my first win on there, which is great. But yeah, maybe this will be its own video. Don't even need to do anything about it. If you guys like the content, let me know. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I have a bunch of dunk videos and really other sneaker videos on the channel, so it'd be great if you could check it out. Also follow me on Instagram at StuffDylanLikes for more content. But yeah, that wraps it up for this one. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.